Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and today we have a humble bundle of interest to developers. This one is all about dungeons in Synty. If you've never seen them before, what cave have you been living in? But Synty is kind of like the king of low poly assets. The nice thing about Synty is, regardless to what genre your game is, you can find a huge asset pack about it. And today they've got the humble bundle that's all around a theme. So here you can see a dungeon-based theme. Now this is the Unreal Engine version of the project, but you also get the Godot version of the project, like you see here, as well as the Unity version that you see here. Now, it's amazing how different the default lighting is between these different engines. It kind of blows my mind with the difference in what they look like out of the box. Obviously, with some tweaking, you can make things look however you want. Let's do a quick navigation through what you can create with this particular pack. This is, again, the Godot version. So we've got a dungeon-like environment. We got a cave setting over here you can go and explore. So it's all the modular assets you need. So you got a mine and so on. These packs are actually gigantic. So if you want to create a low-poly dungeon-style game, that is what you are getting in this particular version. Now let's do the same journey, but we'll go back to Unreal Engine. So here you can see, once again, the pack in action. Instead of going down the mines, let's go this way. Take a look around, and you're going to see a ton of stuff in these bundles. So you got kind of, again, more underground environments, bridges, assets, so on. A huge number of assets there. And then finally, a quick pass using the Unity game engine. So these are just demo levels, by the way. So the difference in look is just down to the way the scenes have been lit up. It's the same asset for all the different game engines, although this one, I think, had a different hallway. Anyways, you get an idea. This is one of the big packs there. This normally is about $200 for the pack by itself. So if you're interested in that, it makes everything else more or less free. Now here we go and look at one of the other assets we've got here. This one is one of the character packs. This is like for enemies and so on. A bunch of different characters ready to go. So I don't believe they're animated, but they are rigged. So they are all set up and ready to go with whatever animation packs you happen to have. But they also have animation packs as part of this whole bundle as well. So that gives you an idea of the hands-on portion of the demo. Let's go take a look at what else they're including in this pack. So it is the Synty Dungeon Bundle Game Dev Assets Pack. By the way, if you do purchase this using my link, it does help support me, and thank you very much if you do. Another thing to notice is the keys do actually expire, but they expire in June 31st of 2027, so you got a little bit of time there. They all redeem on the Synty store. We'll get to that in just a second. But you're going to notice here, what do you get in this pack? You get the prototype pack. The funny thing is, you get the prototype pack every single time. The other thing you're going to notice is no tiers. There's just this one tier, and it's all on the theme of this whole dungeon theme. So you're getting some particle effects there, so like campfires and spell effects and that kind of thing. You're getting the dungeon pack. This is what I showed you guys in action just a second ago. But you're also getting like a fantasy UI pack here as well. The fantasy dungeon map add-on. So you can see, by the way, if you want to drill down and find out what something's all about, you can click on it and learn more here. You can also see which platforms it's for up here. Although that's not totally accurate, because the example here, this dungeon pack we showed over here, actually works in Godot as well. And for a lot of these, you also get FBX versions, so you can make them work in Flax or O3DE or wherever the hell you want to. So on top of that, we also have this Fantasy Rivals set here. We have this forest and meadow environment right there for outside. And we got a bunch of knights and then a $10 voucher on the Synty store. Speaking of the Synty store, that is where they are redeemed. By the way, for those of you that do not speak Canadian, $41.40 Canadian is $30 US. And that, in this particular case, is the only tier that's available. There's no $1 tier at this point in time. Then we go over here. Here you can see the Synty Asset Store. This is where we looked at for the Fantasy Rivals pack, for example. You'll notice that you've got, again, this particular version has the raw source files, FBX, as well as Unity and Unreal Engine. But if we go back over here and go to our library, let's go search and then go find our dungeon pack right here. You will find the dungeon pack in this particular case has it available in Unity, Unreal, and Godot, and then another package for Godot particle effects. I'm not sure why it's separate. And then the other thing to be keeping aware of is they also have these source files, which is FBX and OBJ versions generally, as well as multiple different texture packs. So again, you can bring those into Max, Maya, Blender, whatever, do whatever you want with them. And then almost every game engine out there supports FBX in some format. So these assets are very universal in how they can be used. And again, they are received on the Synty store. You do need to create an account. You'll notice here, once you've redeemed them, they will all be available in your library here, and you can download them from there. And what you will find is that for Unity, they come down as Unity asset packages, and then as Godot and Unreal Engine, they come down as fully ready-to-go projects. And they're all prefabs, whatever. You can pull them in and use just the individual bits you wish to use. But yeah, that is the process in the pack. Another thing I want to point out before I move on, your mind, this is like one of those magic eye puzzles. Does this say modem or does this say modern? Bad choice of fonts on that one, in my opinion. But apparently it is modern for sure, because that's the modern sale that they've got going on. By the way, they do have a sale going on here as well, but it is not a place to pick up a modem. It's a place to get modern assets. So that's also running over on the Synty Asset Store if you are interested. But that is today's bundle. By the way, I haven't been covering bundles because there's just been so many of them, but Synty ones are kind of special in that regard, so I did a dedicated video on it. But if you want to know, there's actually a bunch going on. A number of them are theoretically expiring if it's not extended. It's hard to say what's going to happen. But you're going to see you've got a bunch of them here, like the this environment bundle here, the Game Jam from Game Dev TV bundle, Realm Giant. We also have a new learning bundle for Unreal Engine, etc. So check out Humble. There are a ton of bundles. I don't do dedicated videos on all of them anymore because there's just too many, and I don't want this channel to be all about just doing bundles. But this one, what we've got here, is definitely of some interest to many of you. If you like Synty's art style, it's a good pickup. It's basically, this is really the MSRP for a lot of these things. So if you pick the asset pack up for $30, you're getting the entire rest of this for, free. So pretty solid. I like that they themed it around the idea of a specific theme. So these would be useful to you as long as you're creating a medieval or a fantasy game. But if you're creating a sci-fi game, obviously not that useful. And it'd be cool to see that their next bundle would be sci-fi themed and then keep that idea up. I like that approach, but I'm curious, what do you think? So that is the Synty Dungeon Bundle Game Dev Assets on Humble. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.